Hello everybody, today for repair we have another power supply, Cougar ST 600 watts. Not the best power supply, not the highest quality, but still it deserves to be repaired and saved. Let's try to do that together. As always, first of all I check it via my isolating transformer. As you can see, 250 volts at the output. Current limiting lamp blinked and we don't have green light, so it means that the standby voltage is not present. For me the problem is clear. I already checked the main lines, 12 volts, 3.3, and all those are fine, so it's definitely standby voltage. Something wrong with that. So let's open it and see what's inside. I removed the screws. Now removing the lead. The power supply is clean. That's the standby voltage IC, PWM IC. As you can see, nothing special inside. Quite tiny coil, decent capacitor, enough for 600 volts. Okay, I removed the PCB itself. Now let's make sure that the bulk capacitor is discharged. As you can see, there is no voltage. After that we can measure the output rectifying diode for standby voltage, and it is fine. Also make a visual inspection, and I cannot see anything burned, and I suspect the IC itself, the PWM IC, is bad, because I've already met such problems, not with that type of power supply, but quite usual. When there is no standby voltage, the IC itself is bad. Checking the diode bridge, checking the main transistors, PFC transistors and inverter transistors. As you can see, those are fine. I don't suspect that those are bad, but while we are here, why not measure those? Okay, let's examine the board under thermal cam. I turn on the power. That's standby voltage IC area, and as you can see, it's starting to heat right at that area where the IC is soldered. So we have to desolder it, and I have some of those ICs at the donors, so for me it's easy to replace it, and I don't need to order it, anything like that. I've already changed the IC. I didn't show you the process, there is no need, nothing interesting. And now we are ready to test whether it helped or not. I hope it is. So the same setup. Turn on my isolating transformer, and then turn on the power supply itself. And as you can see, it started. My tester was on, that's why it started by itself. Now I shunted the lamp and everything is okay. All the voltages are present. So now I'm gonna put everything back and test one more time and see it together. But before I take the PCB, don't forget to discharge the bulk capacitor, because there is still charge inside. Okay, I put everything back. Now I connect it directly from mains, turn on the power supply, and use my Chinese tester. And as you can see, all the voltages are there, power good signal is there, the power supply working fine, and I think it's gonna serve its purpose one more time. So we saved it. If you like it, give it a like, and see you next time. Bye.